This Mexican tortilla lasagna layers soft tortillas instead of pasta sheets and bakes up golden and hearty. You need tortillas, soy mince, kidney beans, corn, tomatoes, cashews, sour cream, and plenty of fresh cilantro. Simmer onion, pepper, zucchini, and soy mince with beans, corn, and tomatoes. Then blend soaked cashews with salsa, yogurt, nutritional yeast, and lime until creamy. Lay a tortilla into the greased dish, oven at 180 degrees. Spread the warm vegetable sauce right out to the edges. Swirl cashew cheese sauce over it, then repeat the layers. Finish with sour cream and grated cheese and bake until golden. Fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and a scoop of guacamole alongside. The full printable recipe is linked below. Try it soon, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies.